But yeah, though. Crack a nigga cranium, switchblade, uranium, radioactive factors. It's obvious I'm insane. Mathematics is adding up. Had enough of you half-ass rappers. It's bad enough you call yourself rapping. Posting them whack-ass videos on your status. You motherfucking niggas is the pips. I'm Gladys. Smell me, nigga. I'm the shit. You average. Yeah, I'm the motherfucking best. Who asking? Psychosomatic, automatic, forget it. The casket is imminent. Niggas feminine, infinity, vanish permanent. Pop a nigga, no pimple, plasma pouring out the entry womb. Sickest in the room. Doesn't matter who's in it. All y'all can get it. Killing rappers while your nose got tubes in it. I cut no slack, you niggas pass whack. Matter of fact, I bet this gauge flip your ass no flapjack. My flow aids and I'm dishing like magic. And my motherfucking pockets on Jack Black. Swole nigga, this money ain't the show nigga. The show nigga blowing loud, eyes low nigga. Bet that ass I'll snatch your fucking hoe nigga. Cold blooded, I got a runny nose nigga. Heaven knows that my flow is on overload. I'm damn near hove. You niggas ain't near close. Long shot, my niggas carry long knots. Don't try, you be dead before your ass drop. Blowing zigzags, Louis Bell steel sad, kick rap, toss racks, act the ass, get slapped. My crew hungry like a motherfucking T-Rex. Slit a nigga throat, literally give him a V-neck. We next, you niggas are rejects. Live life, what the fuck is a regret?